It's spring break and we're finally starting the channel. So in this channel, there's going to be me, Alejandra, and Sebastian. And we are very excited for what is going to come up because there's a lot of ideas that we have for every week and we'll be posting. And finally, I am not looking at the display thing because it turned my camera around. But on the other note, I just can't believe that it is now finally starting. And if you guys don't know, I am Sebastian and it's spelled with an E-N, but I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right there. It's spelled with an E-N, okay? And Sebastian has an A-N, and then Alejandra, she'll explain it to you. And basically, all of us decided to start this channel because we're really close friends and we wanted to make more videos and hopefully get famous on this collab channel as well as our main channels, which will be down below along with our social media links. I'll put all of ours down there. But I'm just really excited for this channel and I hope you guys are too. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit the like button down below, follow me on all my social media links. Don't forget to check out Sebastian Alejandra's videos. Alejandra was posted on Monday, Sebastian's will be posted on Saturday. So go ahead and look forward to checking these out and also look back on Alejandra's video will be down below. All of them will be down below, but anyways, thank you guys so much for supporting us so far, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye!